Welcome back, friends. Up to now we have learned three properties of rational number, that is closure, commutative and associative. Okay. Now using that property, how we use this property in our example, that we learn. Here in your textbook, first example is given. Find 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. Okay. First we will solve this example without using property. પહેલા આપણે property વગર એને solve કરીશું અને પછી જોઈશું કે property use કરે તો example કેવો easy બને. Okay, so why we are learning this property, that we can see in this example. Okay, so first you can see there are four rational number. We need to solve this example, all are in addition, means we need to take LCM. Why? Because denominator are different. Denominator different, so just to level percent LCM. So we take the LCM of 7, 11, 21 and 22. If we take LCM, we get 462. LCM we already learned in a 6th standard. 6th standard માં LCM કેવી રીતે લેવાનો already learn કરી લીધું છે. Okay, to get here 462 we need to multiply with 66. To get here 462 we need to multiply with 42. Here 22 and here 21. Whatever number we multiply in a denominator, same number we need to multiply in a numerator. જે number denominator માં multiply કરીએ એ જ number numerator માં multiply કરવાનો. So we get here 198, here minus 252, minus 176 and 105. Now all are in addition, we perform the addition. Also we learn the integer chapter in 7th standard. These are the integer. So addition of this number is minus 125 divided by 462, that is LCM denominator. Now you can see there are so much calculation, there are so many multiplication and deal with a larger number. But if we use the property of grouping or you can say commutative, then we can solve this example by this method. First we make a group of first and third rational number, that is 7 by 3 by 7 plus minus 8 by 21. We make a group of this and then we make a group of minus 6 by 11 and 5 by 22. We will solve first bracket. So here LCM is 21. Here already 21 is there, so no need to multiply any number. Here 7 need to multiply with 3 and same number in a numerator. So it is 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. Minus 8 by 21 is as it is. Now this side you can see LCM is 22. So 11 need to multiply with 2, 22 is as it is. So minus 6 2s are minus 12 and 11 2s are 22, that is minus 12 by 22 and 5 by 22. Okay, now we will solve first with this bracket. Denominator is same, so 9 minus 8 is 1 by 21 and here minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7 by 22. Now again you can see the here is 21 and here it is 22. So again you need to take LCM of 21 and 22. You get 462. આ બંને નંબરનો LCM લો એટલે શું આવશે 462. So here you need to multiply with 22 in numerator and denominator, and here you need to multiply 21 in the numerator and denominator. So 1 is multiplied with 22 and minus 7 is multiplied with 21. So you will get 22 by 462 and here you get minus 147 by 462. Now denominator is same, so you can perform the addition of numerator. One is positive, one is negative, so subtraction of number. So if you subtract 147 from minus 22, you will get minus 125 divided by 462. Now you can see both answer are same, but this method is more easier than this one, because in the first method we need more calculation, but second one is simpler than first one. Okay, in example 1 we have seen how to perform the property in a addition. Now we will learn how to perform the property in a multiplication. So example second, that is given again in your textbook. Minus 4 by 5, 3 by in multiplication 3 by 7 multiply 15 by 16 multiply minus 14 by 9. This all four rational number are in a multiplication. So in a multiplication, no need to take LCM. So without LCM, it become without any property, it become very hard to solve this. So if we apply a property of commutative or grouping, then we make a group of minus 4 by 5 and 15 by 16. It is not necessary that you need to make a group of only these two number. એવું જરૂરી નથી કે મેં ફર્સ્ટ અને સેકન્ડ થર્ડ નું ગ્રુપિંગ કર્યું છે તો તમારે પણ ફર્સ્ટ અને થર્ડ નું જ ગ્રુપિંગ કરવાનું. You can select any two rational number. તમને જે પણ એવું લાગે કે આનો આન્સર ઈઝી પડશે એ તમે ગ્રુપિંગ કરી શકો. Okay, so first time make a group of minus 4 by 5 multiply 15 by 16. Now and second group is 3 by 7 multiply minus 14 by 9. In multiplication you can cut the common factor. 5 3s are 15 and 4 4s are 16. So here it become minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 5 by 4 here. Here you can cut 3 3s are 9 and 7 2s are 14. So it is minus 2 by 3. Again you can see there are common factor. 3 3 become cancel out and 2 2s are 4. So minus minus plus and answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Next topic is the role of 0. Here 0 is called identity for addition of rational number. What is identity? Identity means addition માં કયો નંબર એવો છે જે એડ કરીએ તો એનો એ જ નંબર મળે. That is 0. કોઈ પણ નંબર લો એમાં જો તમે 0 એડ કરો તો એનો એ જ આન્સર મળે. Okay. Why? Because in addition 0 is called identity. એવો નંબર છે જે કોઈ પણ રેશનલ નંબરમાં કે કોઈ પણ નંબરમાં એડ કરીએ તો એનો એ જ નંબર મળે. That's why 0 is called identity for addition. This question can be asked for blank or in MCQ. MCQ માં કે blank માં પૂછાય કે what is identity of rational number or fill in the blanks. Identity of rational number is blank. Okay, so that is 0. The role of 1. 1 is called multiplicative identity of rational number. 1 ને શું કહેવાય? Multiplicative identity. Why? Because કોઈ પણ નંબર ને તમે 1 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો એનો એ જ નંબર મળે. That's why 1 is called multiplicative identity. Here 6 by 7 is multiplied with 1, 6 by 7. Minus 3 by 5 multiplied with 1, minus 3 by 5. So you get the same rational number. Please make a note of this, and if you have any doubt in this example, then you can contact me. Thank you.